I had a light jacket on, went outside. I'm good. Went back, got a heavier jacket.
Have you done the gloves yet?
No, I'm okay with it.
I've been doing the gloves every morning.
Well, you're running early and it's
Yeah.
cold. No.
But
not yet.
it's winter-ish, right?
Ish. It's winter for Austin.
That's right. 3 days in a row with high temperatures only in the 50s. Tomorrow, drum roll please, big warm up. No. How about 60 for a high temperature? Not a big warm up, but we will see more sunshine than we did today. Outside right now, we still have that veil of high cloud cover. There's actually Pacific moisture that's been bringing in that cirrus overcast. There is technically a full moon. It's called the Beaver Moon, this November full moon. And you might catch a glimpse of it. It's beautiful. 48 degrees currently temperature. This morning we woke up to 36, the second coldest so far of the season. We still have yet to see an official freeze for Austin at Camp Mabry. We've only seen one freeze out at the airport. Average first freeze December 1st. And I actually don't have a freeze in your forecast. What I do have is, look at this. I've actually upped the high temperature for Thursday based on new computer model information coming in. 75 degrees. That'll be the warmest we've seen since back on November 20th. But in order to get there, we've got 2 more cool days. Then a cold front comes through late Thursday night, and behind it we'll see a couple of cooler days again before we try to bump back up. So I don't have anything earth-shattering or record-setting, but I do at least have some temperatures on the other side as far as being above average. Temperatures right now in the 40s area-wide, a couple spots like the airport still sitting at 51. If the clouds stay put, temperatures will only fall into the 40s. If this cloud line back here finally moves in and takes away the cloud cover, then we might see some spots dip into the upper 30s for first thing tomorrow morning. And then we should see abundant sunshine through the day with that high temperature of 60. Our winds starting to shift out of the southeast, which is a warmer wind direction. It's just going to be a long, hard trudge for us to get that warmth in here. So for tomorrow, temperatures upper 50s to low 60s. Let's go hour by hour as we bring in the warmth. By afternoon, about 60. Wednesday, lots of cloud cover in place. Temperatures do warm up into the low 60s and upper 50s. Could see some showers, spotty at times through Wednesday night, and then storm chances mainly east of I-35 as we head into your Thursday. Those move out, and look at these temperatures. We could see some spots into the mid 70s. I went ahead and went with 75 degrees for your high on Thursday, and then a 10-degree drop behind that first cold front. Another weak front coming in this upcoming weekend. Temperatures, though, a little warmer than what we've seen lately. We will be right back.
Chicago, I hope everyone was able to soak up that beautiful day that we had today, because we'll be missing it tomorrow.
That's right. Tomorrow, any sunshine will be very short-lived in the early morning, and after that, looks like cloudy skies for the duration.
All right, so get that dog walk first thing.
Absolutely. And cooler temperatures to go along with it. We may also throw in a couple spotty showers. Granted, we still need the rain, but any rain that we see this weekend is going to be very, very light in terms of accumulation. I am also tracking our next cold front. It is on the move, and it's going to get here by early on Sunday. Just to kind of refresh things for you, we are now on a 4-day streak of cooler than average temperatures. At this point, I'm thinking this could last all the way until probably the 29th. There are signs that starting on the 30th and into early December, we may actually see a big warming trend. 60 outside for tomorrow afternoon's high temperature. Compare that with today where we topped out at 65. I'm also throwing in a 20% rain chance. Winds will be out of the northeast and then shift to the southeast in advance of that next cold front. Outside right now, we've got clear skies, 53. Just a little bit of high thin cirrus cloud cover. So if you look directly up right now, you're going to see the moon, Jupiter, and a halo around the moon. What's happening is the moonlight is filtered by the ice crystal laden cirrus clouds. And so that's what's creating that gorgeous view out there. It's 47 right now in Georgetown, 47 in Fredericksburg, 51 Wimberley, and 43 in Rosanke. There will be some pockets of 30s yet again for the overnight before the clouds really infiltrate our area. Cold front to our north for now is stalled. It doesn't move through until Sunday early, but look what's behind it. It's 29 in Amarillo, where parts of the Panhandle are bracing for winter weather. Accumulating snow not out of the question. None of that here though. We'll see temperatures overnight dropping into the 40s. I do think some pockets of 30s possible, and overall the trend will be for any clearing to quickly move out by daybreak tomorrow, and then by tomorrow afternoon we may start to see a little bit of very spotty light rain shower activity. Doesn't look like anything too substantial. That's why I'm holding it just at about a 20% chance, but that high temperature of only 60 degrees. That's for the first half of your weekend. and the second half of the weekend, 59. We're going to cool it off even more. So one more look at your Saturday as we'll see temperatures only around 60. Then the cold front comes through early on Sunday. Right now I'm targeting its arrival probably by 6 a.m. Temperatures in the 50s and just some spotty light rain showers. Those move out. We may see some brief breaks in the overcast, but temperatures really will not be responding. So at this point, I'm only going with 59 for a high on Sunday afternoon, only to be followed by the coldest of the week by Monday, a high of only 54, and then the coldest low happening Tuesday morning, 36 in Austin, which means some outlying spots, especially in the low-lying valleys, could see yet another freeze.